Shout the homie Kanye West. Kev get the homie Cuddy. Shout the Pusha T. Consequence was happening.
I do it.
GLC, I see you, homie.
D-Town. Wait.
Cannon B.I.
Hey. Okay, I'm smoking loudly. I woke them all. I pick up that tree when it's not fall. I'm gone off that tree when it's not tall. I'm in love with tree. I'm a avatar. I pick up a O from my nigga Ralphie. My bro and me, but he is not Alfie. Gone off that goo punch. It makes me drowsy. Roll up the windows. It makes it cloudy. Damn, if you ain't know, I made these girls nice, smoking paper and bows. My ladies like blunts. Hit them twice, if not once. Then I blow them off and just pass them to my bro. Now catch me getting brain if a nigga not learning. I be spending money if a nigga not earning. Catch me in the backseat if I'm not stirring.